Hello guys, this is Claudemir with a quick video on how to reset the Amcrest camera. That's the baby monitor. The model is ASH21, okay? So if you lost the password, you can have access to the camera. Here's how to reset. You just need to make the camera point up so you have access to the reset button. And then you're gonna press and hold. Usually the manual says to press for 45 seconds, but if you press like at least for 20 seconds, it's gonna work. So you just need to pay attention to this. You press a little bit, then release, and you see the camera starting over and doing a pan movement, tilt movement, and then the LED start blinking green. Okay, that is about to happen here. So let me just press the button here and hold for 20 seconds. Okay, just press and hold the button. Now I release it and wait for a while just to see what happens, okay? Okay, as you can see, the camera is moving and it's doing the initial tests with the pan and tilt and everything, okay? Then start blinking here, first red and then start blinking green. So the camera is working now and it's ready for the connection. So I hope you liked this video. Please leave your thumbs up, your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.